bone. In public, Mary.
Don't just leave the blames on me. Was she not the one that started the fight first?
Don't even go there. Don't even come with your lies. Everyone out there testified that you were the person that hit her first.
Oh, it's what people say that you want to believe now, right? I slapped her, but she started the fight first.
Are you even listening to yourself? You slapped her. You just confirmed that you slapped her. And you say she started the fight first. How?
She was boasting that she should be the one to go for the baby Naija. Not only that, she said I was giving my body and money that I used in packaging her. Not knowing that I was around. So I have to show I'm not a fool.
Mary, you see, have you imagined if someone had recorded you fighting Oge and uploaded it on the net? Have you imagined what would happen to your image when you will be in BB Naija house? Have you imagined how your fans will see you? Did you even think of that before going into fighting Oge in public?
I don't know what would do that.
How? Do you see why I say sometimes you don't reason, you don't think before you act? You just know that someone will not do that. You know what? I am so done with packaging you. I was grooming you to be the next face of BB Naija, but I'm seeing that it's not going to work. You know what? I am done. Since fighting is what you want, go there and fight Oge or anyone else. I'm done with your nonsense attitude.
You go nowhere, we die here.
I don't understand.
We die here.
Mary, you're holding my clothes.
You go nowhere.
Mary.
Babe, what be this now? Where be this? I know this life know you. But why they do like this now?
See, let me clarify something. Huh? This fight is not about him. Hell no! It's a fight to retain my pride in this village. I mean, that unit of a girl can just come from nowhere and take my man away from me. It's not possible.
Okay. Now, you don't choose her over you. What do you want to do? Hang yourself. You won't hang yourself.
See, I guess plan. I have a plan. Come close and let me whisper. The walls have you.
Bad negress. I thought can take. You bad girl. What do you mean? I don't underestimate you before, baby. You too bad. Hey.
See, my baby. You know, we plot our graph successful. Haters will hate. Potatoes will potate. But you know what? We meal.
And they go dance leg walk for our matter, for our Thanksgiving day.
Bye. Barman, please bring the catfish
For your mind.
My baby.
They show yourself.
Are you going to stand here mopping at me like one dumbass? Look, I was very busy when you called me. So just go ahead and talk. I just came because you said you were sick and it's important to see me. So talk.
Look, I can't talk because I am speechless. I don't know you can be this hard on me. And you're aware of everything I've been doing is just to prove how much I love you.
Hey! Woo-hoo! You love me. Yet you could not come to see me when your mad girlfriend attacked me and locked my sister up. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself, oh Mr. Loverman.
Babe, you can't crucify me forever about that. You don't even know what I have been going through for the past week.
I have already crucified you on the cross. You are hanging there.
Look, okay, fine. I admit it was all my fault. But I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
You are sorry. Do you know the mess and humiliation what you did has put me through? I cannot even drink water and drop cough for my sister in my house because of that singular act of yours and your girlfriend's. Anyway, there's no problem. Thing is, I am so done with you. I am done with you.
Look, babe, please. I've gone through a lot too. Because of joy I sent out of my house and out of my life. Most especially the vacuum your absence has cost me. Look, babe, you can move into my apartment. This is the key. I'm serious. I'm serious about it. Please. You can have it.
What are you doing? No, I just don't. Do you want me to call the police?
Baby, it hasn't gotten to this. Huh? Besides, I didn't come here to make troubles. I only came here so we can talk things out.
Talk about what? No, I'm asking you, talk about what? Okay, you don't know it has gotten to this. It has gotten to this and it will even get more. What is it? I thought you have moved on. For your information, I have moved on, so you better move on. You better move on.
Come on, baby. Talk about us. Huh? You know it's not easy to throw away a good relationship of many years to the abyss. You self-check am now. Eh? I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Your trick is not going to work on me again. Do you understand me? All of your tricks none of them will work on me again. Are you done with your numerous boyfriends? You think I don't know? You should go back to them. Your police village boyfriend, you can go back to them. Leave me alone. No. I'm done.
No, baby. No. This is not you talking. I'm sure that evil girl has bewitched you.
Very well.
What?
My love. Well,
welcome.
Thank you.
So this prostitute could not wait to take my place?
Hey, let me warn you. How dare you? How dare you call my fiancé names? Look, if there is any prostitute here, it is you. Yes.
No, honey, no. I do not want you to stress your sweet bones. I can handle this thing. Now, out of my premises. I said out! For where? I know they go anywhere. Eh? I am not going anywhere without him. Hey!
No, don't baby me.
Hey! Come, this girl. They not tell you start a craze. Honey, you not tell them. I say make you bounce. Man, know you verse of waiting you and your lesbian mate. Don't make the other take men you. Nah. You not go feel do anything. I don't go anywhere without my man. Hey!
Hey! You better leave. You better. No, don't baby me. Do not baby me. Do not. Ah! Babe. Don't go gangster. It's okay, babe. It's okay.
Honey.
It's okay.
Honey, leave me now. Leave me.
Just calm down. Please.
Stupid thing. Cause the fixed sponge for your hair.
Okay.
You got a red hair on top head. Okay. Rubbish.
Oh, we're fine, never. We're fine. It's okay.
Honey, enter.
It's okay.
Come back here, my friend. Where are you coming back from? And why are you sleeping in?
Good evening, brother. I didn't know you're back.
Fine and good. Now you know that I'm back. So answer my question. Where are you coming back from? Because I know it's not now that your lessons ended.
After the lessons, I went with one of my lessons to read.
You went with your lesson, Gene? To read? Or you went to Mike's house? Eh? Wait. What is it that what is it that I'm hearing that you fought a girl because of Mike? Is it true?
No, brother, don't say that. I fought with Toge because she was gossiping with my name. And see as she'll be the next person to go for the baby Naija. It's not because of Mike.
Just listen to yourself. Mary, can you hear yourself out? Do you really think everyone is as daft as you? Eh? Just look at the way your veins will start coming out anytime they talk something about Mike. Eh? Iwakwala. See, let me tell you the truth, oh. I only allowed you to pursue your passion because I wouldn't want it to be said that we stopped you from your dream. But if you use your hand to destroy it, you will have yourself to be blamed. My hand no deal.
But I used to read my book now. Mike is just my modeling coach.
You used to read your book in Mike's bedroom, Abi? On top of Mike's bed. That's where you are serious with your studies. And that is why you go to your extra lessons without your textbooks. And you are here telling me that you are serious with your education. No problem, so Wadro. Okwage, you don't even have stamina and you are following man. You are following man when you don't have stamina. Look at you. You are just like I. Okwa Mike, Oge Jam Rajegu. Okwage, Obiro Obanja. If I do not kill you in this house, I'm a bastard. You are sneaking in. You are sneaking in. Look at you, mother. Yeah, they can't watch you. They will kill you. They will break you into pieces. You will see it. Mother.
I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. I'm suffering.
Even the tire, I don't fish all those ones. I fish them all finished. But okay, that air host is a synthetic type. That one is very, very expensive. I've called 2 shops already. Sir, it's 10,000, 10K. No, sir. If you buy anyone less than those ones are very light. Their host cannot. In fact, it will just spoil within a space of time. Okay, let's buy that. That one is the best. That 10K on, that's the best, sir. That's the price, sir. 10K. What's the meaning of that?
It's like when you just lie now, you flash my ear, I might give you a award on top.
So you give what kind of nonsense is you're giving me an award?
Yes, sir.
I'm not, in fact, I'm sure definitely something's wrong with you.
No, you know, say because I just make a confirm, say you say you know, say you don't lie. Because that house where you talk now 1K now I buy him. But you don't give him money.
It's time to concentrate on your work. You're busy prognosing on my call. Huh?
This small fight I carry come with my mouth. Now you want to use hammer hit me. No vex.
Just yesterday here, you just returned from your suspension after all pleading and your friend pleading that you will not do that again. And now you're looking for my trouble again.
Yes, sir. You know like, I'm not talking.
Concentrate on your work and do this thing.
Yes, sir.
And stop prognosing on my call.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're coming here to tell me how to run my business.
Sorry,
That's that thing.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you fix that thing well and see there's another job to do.
Yes, sir. Allow me.
What in God's name has captured your mind that you didn't even notice my presence here for over 3-5 minutes? What's the excitement about? Did you win raffle?
Wow, I didn't know you've been standing here for that long, but I'm sorry. And about your second question, yes, I won a very huge treasure.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Tell me about it, honey.
Well, I
Oh, can you stop this plenty grammar and go straight to the point? What is this huge prize you want? I want to see it.
You are the priceless treasure I've won for myself. Yes. And I am so glad that the clog in our relationship is off now.
Are you sure? Are you very sure? Or if she comes back now after the whole hit, you welcome her with open arms?
How would you think of a thing like that? That is not possible. You can see that all of her belongings are out of the way for yours to take over. You're the one holding back yourself right now. Yes. You, my treasure.
Okay, come now. Wait. You just came now. Where are you going?
Mike, didn't you hear what I told you? Eh? Why you being so insensitive about the whole situation? I just told you that my mom prohibited me from seeing you or any form of going out. Besides, she sent me for an errand, so I said to come see you.
I heard you the first time you said it. Just that it's not up to 5 minutes you came and you're going. Does it mean you want to throw away your BB Naija dream?
I never said a thing like that. I'm just heeding to her instructions. Besides, I know very soon she's going to change her mind.
See, let me tell you, she better change her mind though. As I'm talking to you now, Mary is really pressing hard. She is pressing really hard on this BB Naija stuff. She's even trying to overtake you.
Wait. Are you indirectly affirming that both of you are dating? Hey! I better not catch the both of you, because if I do, you will not like me. In fact, I'm going.
Wait now.
Don't touch me!
Okay, wait now. Let's just go inside and have good
do
time.
what? Do you know you're very wicked? You don't care about anything at all. Only what you care about is how to satisfy your sexual urge. See, I'm going. When I come next time, you can do whatsoever you want.
Okay, it won't take time now.
Stop calling my name.
Just okay. I will not stay long. Yeah. Let me. Even if it's the cab.
Babe, how far now? How the parole go?
Girlie, anything soft, anything soft.
See, this girl don't they live for this guy cripple. I they tell you true. Yes, I see them they drive us. They do they gist, they laugh. She don't pin for front of car. They enjoy their side, they kiss. They don't even notice me for where I pin.
Now lie.
I go lie for this camera.
Eh?
I go lie.
Philip, they gist and laugh. How na? Babe, I don't feel remember the last time when me and Philip gisted and laughed.
No be what me they tell you. I just fashion this matter now. Bone this guy. Maybe we march come on for this village now. Maybe we march enter city. Go make and be come back. They go hail if we return for this villa.
No, on that side you they mix up everything. No, see, for now, make we execute my plans. Maybe later now if you do your own. I don't feel just come on like that.
I beg, babe, what they sup? Wait, you get anything where you know they tell me? Cut me, I beg. I listen. I already listen.
Babe, chill.
Bone this guy. You get guys when get azar when they die for your matter now. You fashion this guy. I mean, get it next. What did they do for you?
I make you chill now. I don't just begin run like that. No, no matter of honor. You don't forget who I be. I don't feel just run.
See, my friend, I know you to be an honest person. I've known you for a long time. And in this case, I want you to be honest and straightforward with me. And don't you defend her because she's your friend. In fact, does this girl have mental problem?
Mental what?
Yes.
No. But why do you keep stressing this? You're scaring me. What is wrong with her?
Everything is wrong with her. I mean, everything is wrong with her. Was it not just yesterday that I forgave her after all your pleading? And today again, she has committed another thing.
Are you serious? What has she done this time around?
warn your friend. She's not the only person that dropped out of school. I did myself. She's not the only person that lost her parents and later picked up her responsibilities in life. I did myself. If she crosses my path again, in fact, I swear, I will delete her from the surface of the earth. I will. I've said it and I will definitely do it if she don't stay away from me.
Okay, Jumbo, what is it now? I've never seen you this angry before. But mind you, it's very risky to threaten someone in that manner. What if anything should happen to her? Do you know you will be held responsible?
I don't care. I don't care. Just imagine that because she overheard me telling my customer price of a part she bought for me. And even if I said I told the customer a higher price, is that the reason why she will come and tell me that it's bad for me to add money to a customer? Hey. If she don't stop this nonsense, what I'll do to her, she'll never live to regret it.
She did.
If she make it alive, I'm telling you.
Hey. Why would she do that now? Why would she do that? Even if you added money of the price or something for a customer, why would she intrude in that matter? Oga Jumbo, because I'm just forgive her. Oh, it hasn't. I'll talk to her. I promise.
Better talk to her.
I will.
Better talk to her.
I will, Oga Jumbo. Please, I will warn her.
Better warn her.
Yes, I will, Oga Jumbo. Because where's me oh? Oga Jumbo, please. I promise. I'll talk to her. She will not do it again.
I'm wearing for Mary and I follow you. Ojiro fugwa manja, wano mi for Mary Faje Megide ya. I'm wearing for Mary and I follow.
Sister Ines, good afternoon. Where are you going to do your things?
Jam director. Are those the only questions on the question paper? Anyway, you should be happy I waited till you came back. Take. Why are you counting this? Am I owing you?
Sister Eunice, this is 30,000. What am I to do with it?
Give it to Monica. I am sure it's going to help you both solve one or two things. But if she does not need it as usual, you have my phone number. That is if you two don't need it. Call me. I will tell you who to give it to.
But Sister Eunice, don't be angry. This money is huge. Where did you get such amount of money from?
They don't sound you before. They don't want you before. If I touch you. Yeah, girl.
I want you to remember, I want you to know, this world is turn by turn, it's turn by turn. Okukoji, Geyigwa Wacha, Anofia, Gapokwano, Nomolue, nothing lasts forever. Chichire chige fokwefo.
Sister Faith. Sister, you're busy. I don't know. Check me out now, sister. How do I look?
May thunder fire that your useless mouth you use in asking that stupid question. Oh, so you kept a slave in this house to be doing your house chores, Okwaya? While you perambulate around this village with that useless local champion called Mike.
But sister, is that why you want to injure and disfigure my fine body? So that I will not be selected in the next BB Naija audition? It will not work for you.
Me, moi, Faith, your body.
My body?
Disfigure your body. Look at this lollipop. I have really suffered. Look at you. You are here deceiving yourself. Doing pium, open and close. Doing Keziah, opening for Mike. By the time he finishes you, uses you, trample on you, you will know that you have done the worst mistake of your life.
Sister, for this one, I jump it and I pass. Holy Ghost, fire. So this is your prayer. You no go walk. You no go walk. It go shock you. When the daughter of man will win the grand prize, I will be paraded around. Anyway, Sha, I go still dash you money. Because blood is thicker than water.
May hunger rumple that mouth. Hunger will rumple that useless mouth of yours. So it is me you are talking to. You will shock me, Chevy. But before you shock me, I will shock you. I will shock you now. Nonsense.
Sisterly, see you when I'm back. We move. Take care.
Superstar my foot. What is all this? Eh? What is this madness? I don't blame you. I blame Brother Fred.
What happened now? Eh? Your Oga came here and he was raking. Please don't allow him pursue you from that shop for the sake of your sisters.
Why you talk like this? What did I do? Eh? You no go even ask me what happened. Person call me, say make I stand. You open my mouth, they pack light, they full inside. You say make I close my mouth, they look am. I don't they like that kind of thing, you know now.
Monica, do you rather sacrifice your dream than minding your business at that shop?
My business now I dey mind. If I dey mind my business, they go call me, ask me question, what I will talk. No be waiting come true to now I go talk. I don't they like kurukere. You know something they like am.
Monica, the purest wisdom is minding your business.
The same thing I hear you they talk so. If I mind my business, he go still come and say, come, how much you buy that thing? What's I'll do?
Don't answer him.
They go say, they rude. They go say, okay, they ask me something, I no answer. So tell me the exact one what you want me to do now. Either make I mind my business or if they ask me.
Don't say the truth.
Make a lie.
Yes, lie. It's business. Lie, Monica. Lie to save your work. Lie to save your job. Lie.
God escort me. Bless this matter now, it no go end. As you don't advise me now, make a lie. God escort me.
Monica, please save this work.
Now the man they call me, they ask me, hey Bia, how much you buy that thing? For the person in front. I tell them the price. I say, ask me. So as you don't advise me now, me too, I go mind my business. You go tell them, make you no ask me. If you ask me, I'll talk true. I'll talk true.
Monica, this is a mechanic workshop. They know they talk through like that. They lie small so that they can make their money. Monica, they lie small, just small, no be big. Save yourself, save the job for the sake of your sisters. Please, nah. No, they talk true. No, they open mouth. Wow, they talk true. You hear? Follow wetin your oga tell you. If he tell you make you lie, lie. If he tell you make you lie, lie. Now wetin I dey try talk be that. You hear?
You dey hear yourself? Everything wey you talk now, sense dey inside. See your sister come house, carry bag, pack all in load, say e dey comot, you no hold am down. As she comot for house now, where she dey go? No be my house, or to dey go follow men about? Favour, tell me.
But sister, what would I have done? Sister Eunice is old enough to know what is good for her. And besides, you know she's my elder sister. I can't stop her.
Na craze dey do you. As she don give you money, you no get sense. That money wey she give you, you go return and go give am. I no want her shower money for this house. You dey hear me?
Ah, sister Eunice is not as bad as you see her. Oh. And I told you I'm going to send the money back to her. But sister, that money is going to help us. Oh.
If I slap you, if I stroke come near you there, if I slap you, this teeth and this teeth, the two you go fall. These two teeth you go fall. The crease. Take your time, oh. As you see me here, so I no bleach. My hand pretty black. You see my hand? Like to match. Go get me food, make I eat. If I blow am now, you go ready for this your job where they stand out. You go flat.
They always like fall my hand. Eh? Which kind of waka you make today?
Abeg no blame me. Na money palava na, no be money I dey chase. Wetin happen? You just dey ginger for phone. Wetin you be dey cap?
Babe, if you see wetin happen today, if you see wetin happen this evening, you no go believe say I go Philip house. Make I iron things out with am. That stupid girl, that useless girl attack me with plank.
No. What she do wetin?
You know they hear me. You know they hear me. I said the girl attack me with plank. For that thing where that girl do, for that thing where that Eunice girl do, she must go down.
This girl don't get mind. She don't get mind. She didn't meant. This girl don't get mind. You know, I be done back half for your matter and Philip. But for this particular fuck up, this girl go collect. She go collect. We need blend down. We need teach her. She dey craze. What give her mind now? No worry, I dey with you. This fight, I go follow you fight am.
You see why I look finished for school? Say na you go be my friend.
Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Don't come on my flesh.
I say na you go be my friend because they reason the way I dey reason. You see, because of this thing where you talk now, because of this thing where you talk now, anything where you want, fish, drink, I go buy. Mama, where you?
Girlie, bump me there. Wait, see, you no dey bribe me now. Why you dey bribe me? I be your person. Your fight na my fight. Anybody when touch you, don't touch me. You don't need bribe me.
My girl. My dependable friend.
I be star girl now. Rosie there for you.
See, we go still shine our eye.
I dey with you, Sha. That one day.
I believe you.
That one day.
I believe you.
That one day.
Oh my God. Wow.
What? What's the matter? Are you alright?
I am alright. You know, I just flashed on to what happened earlier today. And wow, that was wow. The way you came after Joy with a plank. That same Joy that has been claiming to be a tigress and she took on her heels. You went gangster. Like you went gangster on her and I was surprised. I'm like, wow. So you have all this energy and I was thinking you're a gentle person.
Yeah. Me. Gentle. Is that why you're speaking on this grammar? I am not gentle, oh. I am not gentle. It's not even in my blood at all. Not even when one tries to come between me and my love. She's mad.
I never knew I was loved to this extent. I'm feeling like the president right now.
You're feeling yourself.
Of course, why not?
Well, I love you more than you know. Wow. You don't even know the battle I fight in my house all the time because of you.
Battle in your house? I don't get it.
Never mind. Come here.
Mamacita. I love you.
No challenges, no champion, no trials, no testimonies. Just be focused. Don't mind the circumstances. They are to pull you down. Be focused. Don't mind distractions. Let's
Now, what did they do the motor?
I don't know. It stopped and wouldn't start again.
My picture can.
You have an idea what to do?
My picture can. They go where they go.
Sure, you can help me.
It's for 12 and 13.
I have some tools that I don't even know their phone.
One and 12 and 13.
Okay.
that thing. Small there. You hold this one.
Okay.
Now just that plug, this thing I ain't lose now. Start on.
Alright.
Now only that plug, this thing. Now that bonnet plug, now I ain't lose. No move am o. No move am, na person pikin dey here. Just start am o. Opa. Wait. Start am again. Fire up. No move am o. Start am again. Why you dey hurry go, bros? Throttle am. Oh, dey leak o. Dey leak.
Are you serious?
Dey leak.
Okay. Thank you very much. You're so amazing. How much?
No worry. Use the money, go do the important thing where you do where you go. No worry.
It's actually not that important. I was on my way to see a female friend. But I think I just found a more desirable friend.
Why you laugh like that?
Maybe because I
What do you always do now? Men. Why not let people they crazy, men? And you open your mouth and say you can't find your girlfriend, no. No, you don't change to you don't find a desirable friend because I help you fix your motor.
It's not what you think. I just met her on social media. She's a friend I met on social media. We don't really have anything in common. Yes.
Bros, make her go where they go. You too. First where they go, make they go where they go. Why do you laugh like that?
You're so amazing.
No.
Thank you very much. I appreciate.
Are you sabi?
Cause I know the syrup was not pure, just a day. Remember, say, a patient dog eat the fattest bone. All the good things that you see never come easy. Just say I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home.
Mary. Okay, hold on. I want to know where are you apparently? Yes, apparently, where are you? St. John is very close now. Okay, yes, that Catholic is very close to this place. That Catholic church is very close to this place. From that Catholic church, just come down a little. First turn. No, not left. First turn by your right. Yes, follow the road. Come down. You will see me. I'm just standing here waiting for you. Yes, right. Yes. Just stop already. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you now. Just be fast about it. I'm just standing on the road. Yes. Okay. Well, I must say, you look very inch of what your picture shows. And I don't know. Thank you for coming to see me.
You're welcome. And same goes to you. You're not even photogenic. You are more beautiful in real life to compare what I've been seeing all this while. So, what's up?
There's no soap about me. Oh. You've seen me. Look at me and my small business. There's no more, there's no less. Everything is here.
I love your modesty, your sincerity, and transparency. A scarce commodity amongst slave queens.
I'm not a slave queen, no. As you can see, I am not a slave queen. This is me. So, what did the magic that made you decide to come visit me today?
Oh, yes. I mean, we actually went to survey land for my boss. Okay. Yes. So, I had to ask others to go back while I come see you. At least to break the genes of promise and fail.
Thank God. No. It's okay, you did very well. I really appreciate. Oh, sorry, my bad. What can I get for you? What can I offer you?
Nothing. I have to be running back to the city now. It's getting late already. But let me say this before you complain. I would have been here a few hours before now. Just that my car broke down somewhere along the road. I was almost frustrated before a good Samaritan came by and helped.
For that one, we are very peaceful people. People around here, they are very, very nice and very receptive. So I'm not surprised that you said so. Where can we go? Let me take you out. Let me show you around. So you see the beauty of this place.
Okay, fine. If that won't take much of our time.
No, not at all. I have a girl now. She can stay here.
Okay. Okay. It's alright, but it has to be a joint where I can get bushmeat.
Bushmeat?
Yes.
That won't be a problem.
Okay.
Here, we have joints, not just joints, but joints where you can get bushmeat. When I mean good bushmeat, I have a particular woman. The woman is good. When you test her bushmeat, I think you have to live here. You asked me to look for a house here.
It's
for
right.
you.
Okay. Get your shop locked. Okay, someone is there,
I
right?
have a girl. Let me just tell her to lock up so we can go. All right. I'm coming.
Hey, better not be what I'm thinking, no.
Brother Fred, you are back, you didn't tell me. How is Mary? Did you see the doctor? What did they say?
It should be better not to be what I'm thinking, no. You see that Mike? You see that Obokoro drone? I will kill him. I will kill Mary and hand myself over to the police.
Brother Fred, why are you this bitter? Is Mary pregnant?
Well, that has not been confirmed. But the nurse says that there is likeliness of that, given the scenario and the circumstances. Well, anyways, she's receiving treatment at the moment. She's on drip.
She will be fine. She will definitely be fine. And the test will be carried out once she wakes up.
But what did the doctor really say?
It appears to me that the doctor is hiding something away from me. You know he's an old doctor. He will mention pelvic pressure. He will mention stress. He will mention cervical this and that. I don't even know what he was saying. He's not being straightforward. But he said she will be fine.
Brother, you just have to calm down. Calm your nerves. Let's just wait till the test results are available.
Calm down what? See, I am not calming any down. Mary think she will bury my face in shame in this village. Hi! I will strangle her to death.
Brother, calm down. Calm down so you will not have a high BP. Everything will be fine. Just calm down. I prepared this food for her, so let me go and see her in the hospital. There is food inside. Just calm down, please.
Mary, it better not be what I'm thinking, no. Because I will bury that girl in this village. I will bury Mike and hand myself over to the police.
I have joined you.
Which farm you want to go? If you follow me go farm, then I for take go this school where you go so they come back. Then they go say, enough to train am, enough to train am. Hey. I beg, carry cup, go inside for me.
Sorry. Hey, sister. Your friend said she has been trying your line, but it's not connecting. And she said your boss was complaining that you didn't go to work today.
You know they had them to complain. You know they had that greedy man to begin to complain. Small thing happen, you call Belinda. Small thing happen, you call Belinda. No best way work, we eat, 9 day work. You know they dash me anything. If I buy an 2K, you go send na 8K. If I buy an 1.5, you go send na 6K. You know they dash me anything. But once I do small thing, you go to find Belinda, they go.
But wait, sister, as an apprentice, you're supposed to be paying.
You the craze? Apprentice is not the best way to go learn work. I dey learn the work, I know sabi the work. Eh? Go, drop that thing, carry that they talk. Go talk. I dey explain give her say the man too greedy. This month he find Belinda they go with him big belly. This month he go begin to find Belinda they go with him big belly. I beg.
Thank you very much. I really had fun. I enjoyed myself, obviously.
I should be thanking you. Yes, the last time I checked, I am the guest here and you are my host. So you gave me all the treats, not the other way around.
Okay. I understand, but thank you for bankrolling the treat. So tell me, when are you coming back to visit us again?
When the opportunity presents itself again. Sure I will. When the opportunity presents itself again.
Okay. When is it likely to be?
That I can't say for sure, but anytime, I'll just come around.
You started. You're not playing with me, right?
No, I am not joking.
No, you are.
I am not. All right, I have to run along now. Okay. As you can see, it's getting late.
Mary, you have to stop crying. You have to. Remember the doctor said you don't need anything that will pressure you right now.
I will not stop. I want to die and leave this world for you people.
Since you and brother say Miss Evil. Come on. You can't say that. Thank God the test result came out negative. And I must pursue my dreams.
Come on, Mary. We all love you. We are just concerned about your safety. Brother Fred was not able to eat or even drink anything yesterday because of you. We love you. And you are talking like a child you are.
You people know I'm a child. And yet, you wish me pregnant. I keep on saying nothing is going on between me and Mike. But no one will believe me.
It's okay. We believe you now. Please stop crying. Don't worry. Sure you want to be a superstar? A celebrity? Don't worry.
You're not a thief man. Oh, no. This is the last time I walk my mouth in the city. No. All sense. Okay. I beg. Package, if I come now, I'll carry him. Okay, there's no verse. Monica! Which kind of human being you be?
I got a 5K abam.
Monica, which kind of human being you be?
I got a 10K abam.
Hey, you didn't hear when I tell this customer saying just 500.
I got a 12.5. That's 12.5.
You still go to tell and saying another thing, Monica. Why? Why, Monica?
I tell you, say the table go break.